Hello, my name is Javeria, and today I will show you how to give bird food. So let's get started. This is the bird food, and okay, now this is her food. So I'm gonna pour it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in this. See, now close it. Now okay, now look at this bird mess. I'm gonna clean it. Show you how to clean. Okay. Okay, curl it and put it back here. This is how we all clean up and gave the bird food. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and share and make sure to subscribe. Okay, this is the end of the vlog. See you next time. Bye.